you ever heard of a jaw-dropping replica of Paris that isn't in Europe? If not, you've come to the right place because we're going to Tianducheng, China's very own replica of the enchanting city of Paris. It's a complex tale that questions whether it's a harmonious blend of cultures or a mere imitation of iconic structures. But before we get into the mystery, have you done your part? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell, because you're in for a thrilling ride through this extraordinary adventure. Let's get started, shall we? The birth of Tianducheng. When you enter the heart of Tianducheng, you can't help but be captured by the surreal spectacle that unfolds before your eyes. Imagine a meticulously planned cityscape, oddly similar to Paris, with wide boulevards, charming cafes, and iconic landmarks. But there's a catch. You're not in the City of Lights, you're in China, in a city designed to replicate Paris's romantic allure. The audacious plan to recreate Paris in Tianducheng was a massive undertaking that cost a staggering $1 billion. This ambitious project, which covered 31 square kilometers, aimed to transport visitors to a parallel universe where the Eiffel Tower stands tall at 108 meters, casting its shadow over a landscape resembling the French capital. But what prompted this daring venture? Tianducheng is more than just a knockoff. It represents China's rapid urbanization and a growing fascination with Western aesthetics. It attests to the global influence of iconic cities like Paris, as well as the desire to emulate their timeless charm. We unravel the motivations behind this architectural marvel as we navigate the charming streets of this Chinese Paris, exploring the cultural and economic forces that drove the creation of a city that blurs the lines between reality and imitation. This virtual tour of Tianducheng takes us on its captivating streets, where East meets West in a surreal fusion of architectural ambition and cultural curiosity. The inspiration from Paris. Tianducheng is a unique venture that sought to encapsulate the essence of Paris in the heart of China. Picture a city that not only replicates the iconic landmarks of Paris, but also aspires to emulate the romantic allure, the cultural richness, and the refined lifestyle associated with the City of Love. In the eyes of the Chinese, Paris is not just a place, it's a symbol of love, beauty, and sophistication. Paris is a magnetic force that draws both the Chinese elite and tourists. Recognizing this appeal, Tianducheng set out to create a pattern of European culture among wealthy Chinese consumers. This ambitious project not only meticulously recreated famous Parisian structures, but also planned a French-themed school, hospital, and shopping center to provide a comprehensive experience. It's more than a replica. It's the realization of a dream for those who want a taste of French culture without having to cross international borders. Tianducheng, in the heart of China, exemplifies the universal appeal of Parisian allure, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in the romance and refinement that the City of Love has to offer. Real versus fake Paris. As we investigate further into the world of Tianducheng, it becomes clear that this Chinese city has not only replicated, but meticulously recreated some of Paris's most iconic landmarks. The Eiffel Tower, the majestic Arc de Triomphe, the grandeur of the Champs-Élysées, and the timeless beauty of Notre Dame Cathedral are among the awe-inspiring replicas. The dedication to authenticity is truly remarkable, with Tianducheng employing French architects and designers and sourcing materials, identical to those used in the original constructions. However, as we examine this ambitious venture, it is critical to recognize the subtle differences that distinguish Tianducheng from its European inspiration. Scale differences become apparent, providing a unique perspective on these replicated wonders. While the quality and maintenance are commendable, they also contribute to Tianducheng's distinct charm. It's an unforgettable trip into another world where imitation meets innovation, and every detail tells a story of cultural exchange and architectural adaptation. Cultural influence and atmosphere. The streets adorned with quaint bistros and charming bakeries aim to transport you to the romantic ambiance of the French capital. As you stroll through the meticulously crafted avenues, the attempt to mirror the essence of Paris becomes palpable. The aroma of freshly baked baguettes wafts through the air, beckoning visitors to experience a taste of French culinary delights. The shops, seemingly plucked from the cobblestone streets of Paris, showcase a curated collection of fashion and artisanal goods. It's a visual feast, an architectural endeavor to encapsulate the spirit of the City of Lights. Nonetheless, a question lingers amid the cautious replication. Does Tianducheng truly capture the soul of Paris? Beyond the obvious aesthetics, we go through the intangibles that make Paris famous. Is Tianducheng able to recreate the vibrant art scene, the soul-stirring music echoing through the streets, and the literary history that pervades the air? As you peel back the layers of Tianducheng's attempt to replicate Parisian charm, you'll see the atmosphere and the nuances of diversity, or perhaps a lack thereof, that differentiate the Chinese replica from the authentic Parisian experience. Ambition and vision, success or failure. In the Book of Urban Dreams, both Paris and Tianducheng emerge as distinct chapters, each echoing the human pursuit of greatness. Paris, the timeless city of love, effortlessly achieved global iconic status, standing tall as a testament to centuries of cultural richness. It's a place where dreams intertwine with reality, where the Eiffel Tower reaches into the sky, embodying the aspirations of countless individuals. On the other side of the world, Tianducheng in China was a daring attempt to recreate the magic of Paris. Yet, this ambitious endeavor faced its share of tribulations. The replication, while impressive in scale, grappled with challenges like high vacancy rates and low occupancy, casting a shadow over its ambitious vision. Accusations of being a mere copycat ignited debates about the nature of success for this city that dared to emulate a European marvel. Despite the skepticism, Tianducheng's story serves as a poignant exploration of the complexities that accompany the pursuit of grand dreams, prompting us to reflect on the diverse pathways that shape our aspirations. The downfall of Tianducheng. Tianducheng's downfall can be attributed to a perfect storm of unfortunate circumstances. Firstly, its remote location posed a significant hurdle. Tucked away from major urban hubs, potential residents faced commuting challenges and limited access to essential services, making the development less appealing despite its grandeur. Moreover, the exorbitant prices of properties within Tianducheng deterred many prospective buyers. The extravagant replicas of Parisian landmarks might have been visually stunning, but the steep costs left the project out of reach for a considerable portion of the market. Adding to the recipe for failure was the lack of amenities, a critical factor in the success of any residential project. Tianducheng's failure to provide basic facilities and recreational spaces left residents disillusioned. The subpar construction quality only intensified the woes, as structural issues and maintenance problems emerged, eroding the confidence of potential buyers. With these factors coalescing, Tianducheng witnessed a dismal occupancy rate, as the dream of a Parisian-inspired utopia crumbled under the weight of practical challenges. The skepticism among buyers grew as they realized the disparity between the promised luxury and the stark reality of a poorly executed project. Is there hope for Tianducheng? But hold on. Is Tianducheng doomed to be a failure, or can it turn things around? It might seem like this grand project is teetering on the edge of failure, but let me tell you, there's a glimmer of hope that's catching everyone's attention. First off, we've got a surge in tourism like never before. People are flocking to Tianducheng to witness its unique blend of Eastern and Western architectural wonders. It's become a hotspot for Instagrammers and travel enthusiasts, injecting a dose of vitality into the once desolate streets. But that's not all. Media attention is playing a pivotal role in Tianducheng's renaissance. With documentaries, news features, and even a few viral videos, this city is back in the spotlight. The world is watching as Tianducheng unfolds its story, and it's generating curiosity and interest from every corner. As if that's not enough, the surrounding urban development is making strides, creating an ecosystem that's breathing life back into Tianducheng. So, despite the doubts and setbacks, It seems like Tianducheng might just be on the brink of a remarkable revival, painting a fascinating picture of resilience and transformation. That brings us to the end of our journey through Tianducheng, the Chinese version of Paris. What are your thoughts on this unusual cultural blend? Do you consider it a failure or a possible success? Please let us know in the comments section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and remember to subscribe for more captivating content. Signing off until next time.